What's going on, guys? Today I got myself a Ray-Ban Meta collaboration sunglasses in the house, and I'm super excited to test this thing out because, well, I want to do some behind the scenes stuff, and I wore like GoPro, I've worn my phone on my shoulder in order to do some behind the scenes stuff. I've attached stuff to this big rig right here in order to let people see like a third-person view, things like that. And I feel like this right here is the perfect solution for it. So today I'm gonna unbox this thing. I got a couple of hours before I have to go to an event to shoot. And so that's why I wanna unbox this thing right now, and then we're gonna take it out there. We're gonna do some behind the scenes stuff, let you guys see the actual footage that comes out of this. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, the one thing that I did notice is that this is the upgraded version, not the last year's model. This upgraded version, you can shoot longer than 1 minute now. That's what I heard, at least. So we're gonna see if that's true or not. Listen, call, live stream, that's what it says. Live stream, huh? Who really live streams on these? I don't know. Anyway, wow, look at this. Look like a really expensive pair of sunglasses here, guys. It's beautiful. What else is in here? You got yourself some cloth, I guess, to wipe your glasses down. I got one more thing over here. Oh, okay, just a huge instruction booklet. All right, let's put that over there. This is, ooh, wow, look at that. That lights up. I mean, this is about the size of a regular sunglasses case, but yet there's a battery inside of it. Oh, I see how they did it now. Look at this. This is cool. That's where it was charging it. That's why when I pulled it, before I go into the glass, it looks like this is where the battery is right here. That's pretty cool, right? Really nice case. Really well designed as well. I mean, this thing is beautiful. Wow, got some respect from me there. Obviously, USB-C charging down here, and looks like this is a button right here. I'm pretty sure it's to sync stuff. Now, the glasses itself, so you guys already noticed that there are some pins down here for you to actually charge the glass, where you just pop it in the case and it charge. That's pretty cool. Got the signature Ray-Ban over here, and on this side, that's the light right there that's blinking. And the hinge, let's see if it's like my regular pair of sunglasses here. Okay, so the hinge doesn't really like pull out like a regular pair of sunglasses, if that makes sense to you. Yeah, this is as far as it goes, okay? So you can't really bend it out like those sunglasses. Nothing about this, well, I guess these camera look-alike right here tells you that it's a smart sunglasses. I love the fact that it even says Ray-Ban right up here. Let's put it on and see. Oh wow, this thing actually fits me perfectly. I'm sorry, I'm still trying to get adjusted to me, seeing me in regular looking glasses. This is very cool. Yeah, it fits me perfectly. And my head's pretty big, by the way. It's still got that little hug right here. That's nice and comfortable. I guess we'll find out when I go out there and test, because I'll be wearing it for a few hours. So with my peripheral vision, I can see that light blinking over here. So that's interesting right there. That's the only button that you see on here. That's it, nothing else. All right, so it's telling me that the battery is 73%. There is a switch on the side right here. That is the off and on switch. Everything is set up right now. I just want to show you guys when I record a video what it looks like. So check this out. See that little light right there? And you can see this right here. Pretty cool, right? And then it's telling me that if I tap the side right here, it's gonna play music. Okay guys, so I've got everything set up right now. I actually can do a tap, it'll play music. If I hold down 3 finger on here, it'll start up Meta, and I can actually ask this and it will describe whatever that it sees on here. But what I want you to do is I want you guys to listen to this, okay? So I have this earphone right here. so you can hear everything that's going on that my ear can hear. All right. Now let me do a demonstration real quick. Hey Meta, look. What do you see in front of me?
I see a Ray-Ban glasses case.
It actually reads out the name. Okay, that was easy. That was too easy because that's their own product, right? Let me see here. Hey Meta, look. Describe what you see.
I see a person holding a smartphone with various screens and devices in the background.
Okay, so that's pretty easy too, right? I mean, yeah. So it can't read the screen, I'm guessing, but it can tell you the environment that it's in. Let me see here. How about this right here? Hey Meta, look. What am I drinking?
It appears that you are drinking a green liquid from a cup.
The color is green. I mean, it doesn't know the exact thing that I'm drinking, but who would, right? I mean, would you guys have? So, okay, I'll give them that too. Let me see what else. Oh, okay. Hey Meta, look. What am I holding up?
You are holding a camera rig.
Okay, that's actually pretty intelligent because not a lot of bots will call this a camera rig. I mean, we call it a camera rig, but that's more like a street term, right? This is a camera rig. Hey Meta, look. What brand is this camera?
This appears to be a camera rig, but the brand is not clearly visible.
The brand is not clearly visible. Oh, okay. So it's got to see the brand. Let's talk about brand then. Hey Meta, look. What brand is this microphone?
The brand of this microphone is Movo.
Ah, nice. It knows it's Movo because I guess it's on there. Okay, this is way too easy. So, yeah. So anyway, I just wanted you guys to hear that. All right, let's look at the next one right here. This is a fan and a mister bottle. Let's see if it really knows that, okay? Hey Meta, look. What am I holding up?
You are holding up a purple misting fan.
A purple misting fan. Okay, that is pretty cool. Because this is not a very popular thing, right? Or at least in our vocabulary, right? That's pretty cool. Well, guys, here it is right here. Well, guys, there it is. That is the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses right there. I am proud to say that this is actually a real pair of smart glasses, because everything else that I've used so far where they just add a little Bluetooth audio into the sunglasses or whatever and they call those smart glasses, to me those aren't smart glasses. This is smart glasses right here. It actually have some intelligent AI inside of it. I'm very surprised, by the way. I didn't think I would like this product as much, but so far so good. This is incredible, from the design all the way down to the software and hardware. I don't know. Only time will tell, but I want to keep you guys updated on that, okay? Have a good one. Bye-bye.